For real. I'm gonna go on a little mini rant because pimples are kind of like bugs in your house. Uninvited, no one asked them to come in, and they just come in. They don't pay any rent, they don't ask permission, and then what do they do a few days later? Bring in a family member. But I'm not mad, I'm just like letting y'all know what it's like. That's all. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Autumn, and today I thought that I'd get unready and just take off my makeup and show you guys my nighttime skincare routine. Honestly, my acne journey could be an entire series because she's been rude for several years. My skin has gotten a lot better, mainly because I've taken things. That sounds really bad. I've taken medicine prescribed by a dermatologist to improve my acne, but that's helped with it a lot. But I still get some texture and I still get breakouts every now and then. I got dressed up today for literally nothing. It was just to take Instagram photos. So yeah, I just did my makeup and my hair is old and gross, but I thought that I'd show you guys what I do for my nighttime skincare. It's very simple, it's really nothing special, but I thought I'd just show you because I might put you on some products, and then anybody who watches it can put me onto some products so that I can continuously spend more money and go broke. And when I take my makeup off, y'all are gonna see the planet that's on the middle of my forehead currently. So without further ado, let's just get right into it. My sink now, and to remove my makeup, which this doesn't happen every day because I wear makeup 2 times a year, but when I do put it on, this stuff, the fresh soy face cleanser for all skin types, rich in amino acids, gently cleanses face and eyes, and then it continues in a language that I do not speak, but it works really well at removing my makeup, and it is vegan. And I usually have to go over it a few times just because I have a decent amount of makeup on. You can see it, you know, picking up the makeup. Ew.
That poop.
So I'll wash that off and I'll go in again. Look at the planet trying to peek through. Look, on my forehead, rent free. I know I've been doing this for a minute. I just want to make sure I get it all off. Because the one thing that frustrates me is thinking you got all the makeup off, and then the next day you wash your face and you clean it off and there's still some makeup there, which means you slept with it overnight. And what? If you have acne-prone skin, I mean, you'll have a friend waiting there, just excited. I feel like I'm ranting, and this is supposed to be a relaxing video, so let me woosah.
Calm down. Calm down.
Okay. I take a towel and I pat dry. After that, I'll go in with witch hazel. I know a lot of people say that witch hazel is not that great for you, but it works well for my skin. And this one apparently has no alcohol, and a lot of other witch hazels do have alcohol. So if you're gonna choose between bad and worse, get the one that's alcohol free. And I just take it on a cotton pad, and I'm sure it's gonna pick up some makeup, but that's why I use it, because I know even after cleaning my face, there's always dirt every single time. There's still stuff on my face.
I mean, never fails. Never fails.
So I'm gonna do that one more time. And I'll do one more, specifically to go behind my ears and the back of my neck. I'm not about to add anybody because I don't really know anybody like this. But I know somebody watching this has not cleaned behind their ears in a hot minute.
That to be true. I just thought it was funny.
And you could have did it.
See how I get wrong because you never apologize.
And it's not even people like being dirty when they don't wash back there or clean back there. It's easy to forget about, but it's still really important because at the end of the day, it's just nasty if dirt is just sitting there. So now if you do this and you don't have anything behind your ear, then I'm gonna feel like I'm gross. So even if you don't have anything behind your ear, just lie in the comments and say you did. So the things that I just did is specifically for the days when I wear makeup. Had I not had on makeup, I would have started with this step here, and I still would have done the witch hazel, and I'm still going to do it again. It would just come after my first face wash. This is the Kale and Green Tea Spinach Vitamins Superfood Cleanser. Hope y'all can see that it's a clear bottle. I'll leave everything down in the description box so you can just go see it and, you know, if you're interested. And then I use a Clarisonic, so I just wet my face. Wet this. And then I just put an entire pump's worth on the Clarisonic. This is a lot more difficult than it looks. Okay, so that's a pump worth, which is honestly more than enough. Like, you don't need much at all when you put stuff on a Clarisonic if you have one. And when I do this part, I get in my edges because I need to get out all the edge control, because overnight if I leave edge control in my hair, it'll make me break out in those areas. So thumbnail. I am so sorry. Okay. And no makeup. After that, I just wash it off with, this is like cold to warm water. So if anyone watching this knows a hack or a trick or something to keep me from creating a flood on my floor every time I wash my face, please let me know. Thanks. After that, I pat my skin dry again. So all washing is complete. So any face washes that I use, try not to touch your face like I just did after you get done washing it, or in general, for more reasons than one.
Coronavirus!
But anyways, after that, I go in with this Tretinoin cream, 0.025%. So I used to be on Accutane, and after I got off Accutane, my skin reverted back a little bit, and so they gave me this cream, and basically I was like, okay, cool, so how long do I use this?
Oh, your whole life, hon.
So I use this every day. And for clarification, I've been on Accutane twice and gone through this process
Twice.
anyways. I'm not mad about it. So anyway, you're supposed to take a pea-size amount. I'm so sorry. Pea-size amount. And literally just dab it in random places. I don't know if anybody watching this is on this cream, but if you do happen to get on it later in the future, it does dry out your skin. So I'm gonna show y'all the moisturizer I use, but I do definitely recommend going in with a moisturizer afterwards. So I hope y'all could see my roots during that. I'm standing right now, so I have to squat a little bit. Maybe I should invest in a tripod, maybe. Maybe. So that's a booger.
Oh, you nasty.
So that's all in. After I go in with that acne cream, I will go in with this Cetaphil moisturizing cream. It is really thick, and so I use it at night so it'll melt into my skin overnight. My nose specifically gets drier than any other part of my face, so I'll put more there. Lastly, I go in with this Pixi Overnight Glow Serum, concentrated exfoliating gel exfoliate. That's just saying the same thing in a different language. Okay, anyways, this is what it looks like. Hope y'all can see that. Again, I'm putting everything in the description box. But with this, I'll go in with a jade roller. I got this one off Amazon for maybe $15, $20, and it had good reviews, and I think it works nicely. So I just take this serum. I will say if you have really sensitive skin, maybe go easy with this if you do purchase it. Maybe just test try it overnight in one area, and it can sting a little bit on the first time. So I don't mix it in with my hands or anything, and I would just like to say that refrigerating this is when it feels the best, like once it's cold. So I just take it and the jade roller is supposed to help with puffiness and redness as well. I'll be quite honest, I don't really know if it does that, I just know it feels good. So once I finish, rolling it on my face, I'll just rub everything in. Okay, so lastly, I go in with the Mario Badescu Skincare Drying Lotion. I'm pretty sure a lot of people know about this. And there's been a lot of backlash for this product, or I've kind of seen it a little bit on social media. If you have any other spot treatments that you know that can be used overnight, I have some other ones, but this one just kind of works really well for my skin. But if you know other ones that work really well for acne-prone skin, please let me know. But in the areas where it's gotten into my hairline, like these here, I will use tea tree oil, and tea tree oil works great, and I also don't want that pink stuff in my hair. So like I said, I go in with the Mario Badescu, and I'll just put that on the spots. I know this is gonna burn, and I'll just put that on all the very noticeable spots. I have a bunch of small spots on my face, but those can be seen from afar. These, on the other hand, okay. And then I'll go in with the tea tree oil. Okay. I do know that both of these products are not something that you should put all over your face. That's not safe, I'm pretty sure, because they're both just so strong and have such strong smells. So would not recommend that. And lastly, I put on chapstick. I have a lip scrub, but it tastes nasty, so I can't, not today. Again, I am so sorry. There's no excuse. So this is the end of the video. I'm sure this will be a very short video. I hope that you may try these products, or if you don't, you at least saw someone put it on their face. Anyways, I don't really know how many people will be seeing these videos, but comment under what you'd like to see next, or not. It's not required, though much appreciated. It's my alter ego, Beyonce. Okay, Anyways, I did want to end this video on a more serious note and just talk to people that may be struggling with acne, because I've been there and I am still there, and I know how frustrating it can feel to feel like there's no light at the end of the tunnel, or to feel like no progress is being made. And I also know how irritating it is when someone's like, oh, it's just blemishes, oh, it's just acne, everyone gets it, it'll go away. Because half the time they don't know what you're going through, and they don't have to wake up every day and see the spots on their face and look in the mirror. So I just wanted to tell you guys to remind yourself that you're beautiful, even if it's a lie at first, because I know it was for me. Just wake up, tell yourself that, and just keep going throughout the day, and I promise eventually it will become something that you believe. So yeah, I just wanted to say that really quickly, because I know it is extremely frustrating, but I'm here to tell you it gets better. It does. But anyways, that is the end of the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to now join our family of, at the time I'm recording this, it's 42. 42. Road to 100. I'm overly excited about that. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.